Many different things are said in public debate, but we cannot check all of them. To decide what to check or not, each statement must go through a selection process. And there's nothing more meticulous than a jury of fact-checkers and journalists. What are the qualities of a checkable statement? The first criterion is that the statement must be factual. That is, it must mention some fact or a piece of information about which the accuracy or correctness can be verified. There are many types of factual phrases like that, but these are usually the most common. Historical data, comparisons, legality, statistics. These types of statements often appear combined or mixed together. But be careful, because even if a statement is factual, the fact-checkers might not be interested if it is an obvious fact like our planet is the Earth, or in 1994 South Africa had democratic elections, or something that does not contribute to the debate in any meaningful way. Another thing we must keep in mind is that it should be feasible to check the statement within a reasonable amount of time and with the resources we have available to us. Here will certainly be statements we'd love to fact-check, but that we do not have the access or resources to do so. Also, to be checkable, you must be able to check a statement using open or public data that already exists, not data that requires you to do new research or fieldwork. We can analyze the data, but as fact-checkers, it is not our role to create it. We cannot check claims about the future either. We have to wait and see if promises that are made today are fulfilled tomorrow. Another thing to keep in mind is that it is very difficult to prove a denial or a negative. In general, there are very few records of what did not happen. Another criterion is that the statement to be fact-checked should be a limited and clearly defined problem instead of being a great universal question. Fact-checking can give us information and context about a phenomenon, but it does not answer the great questions of humanity. Fact-checking is also not a replacement for a jury or a court of law. We cannot state whether a crime has been committed unless this has been determined by a recognized court of law. The selection process may seem a bit difficult, but if you are as demanding as this jury, you will find many statements to analyze.